Do you ever look in the mirror and feel like you're not enough? Like, no matter how hard you try, you're always one step behind someone else. I get it. We live in a world that constantly compares us, measures us, and tells us we're not there yet. But what if I told you, confidence isn't something you're born with? It's something you build, one choice at a time. Today, I'll show you powerful ways to boost your self-confidence, so you can stop doubting yourself and start showing up as the best version of you. 1. Understand this. Confidence is a skill, not a trait. Let's start here. Confidence isn't magic. It's not reserved for the loudest, most successful, or most outgoing people. Confidence is built through repetition, by doing things that once scared you until they don't anymore. Every time you take action in the face of fear, you're literally training your brain to trust you more. Example, think of it like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. The more you show up, the louder your inner voice becomes. 2. Keep the promises you make to yourself. Confidence comes from trusting yourself. And trust is built when your actions match your intentions. So here's your first challenge. Start keeping tiny promises to yourself. Wake up when you said you would. Drink that water. Finish that task. Every time you follow through, you tell your mind, I can count on me. That's the foundation of real confidence. 3. Silence the inner critic. That voice in your head that says, you're not good enough. It's lying. It's just an echo of your past, not your potential. Here's a trick. When that voice shows up, name it. Call it the critic or the doubter. Then talk back to it. You're not trying to erase it. You're learning to control it. Because confidence isn't about never feeling doubt. It's about choosing to act in spite of it. 4. Surround yourself with growth energy. You can't build confidence in a room full of negativity. Look around. Who's in your circle? Do they push you forward or pull you down? Surround yourself with people who see your potential even when you can't. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow creators who feed your growth, not your fear. Reminder: confidence grows in environments that nurture belief. 5. Take action before you feel ready. Confidence doesn't come before action. It comes after. Stop waiting to feel ready. Start anyway. When you move, even with shaky hands, your courage expands. When you try, even imperfectly, you show yourself what's possible. Action builds evidence, and evidence builds confidence. 6. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Too many people destroy their confidence chasing perfection. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to improve a little each day. Celebrate small wins. The presentation you nailed, the workout you finished, the boundary you held. Confidence grows when you acknowledge how far you've come. 7. Carry yourself like the person you want to become. Stand tall. Speak clearly. Walk with purpose. Your body language influences how your mind feels. When you carry yourself with confidence, your brain follows your body's lead. So even if you don't feel confident right now, act like it. Soon enough, your feelings will catch up. Final message: you have everything you need. Confidence isn't about becoming someone else. It's about remembering who you already are. Capable, worthy, and enough. Every time you choose courage over comfort, you grow stronger. Every small step forward is proof that you're becoming the person you were meant to be. So here's your challenge. Right after this video, write down 3 small promises you'll keep to yourself this week. And follow through. It could be as simple as reading 10 pages, going for a walk, or speaking up in a meeting. Start small. Stay consistent. Watch your confidence rise. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs a confidence boost, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly videos on personal growth, motivation, and mindset transformation. Remember, confidence isn't found, it's built, and you're building it one choice at a time.